Hello and welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you on how to use monthly habit tracker template. Before we dive in, you can head over to the video description to download this template. After downloading this template, go to the file and click on make a copy. Give the file name and location where you want to store this and click on make a copy. First, read the instruction given in a readme sheet. Now select the month sheet and select the month from the drop down for which you are going to track your habit. By default, January month will be selected. Now scroll down and head over to daily habit. Here you can enter your daily habit of your choice manually. By default, goals are already mentioned. If you don't need any particular goal, then you can select the goal and you have an option to delete or edit. I will edit the goal as wake up at 5 am and set the target goal you want to achieve. Once you achieve your daily habit, then tick the box for a particular day. As you complete your daily habit, check the plan for your achievement. You can fully water the plant by completing your 75% of goal for a day. Now, do the same process for weekly habit. Now, check the rest of the details. After completing daily habit, observe the completed goals, not completed goals, and percentage of goals completed. Observe the daily progress, monthly progress, number of plants you have fully watered in a month, and completed goals, progress for an individual habit, current streak, and longest streak. Observe the weekly habit, goals and target you have achieved, number of plants you have fully watered from daily habit and weekly habit. So that's it for this video. I wish you all the best in tracking your daily habit.